Okay, so I took the camera off Peewee. Obviously it's too heavy, so forget the camera. I'm gonna fly him without the camera. I'm recording. Oh, she talks too much always. Fucking shit. Damn it. I'm gonna start all over again. Alright, so I took the camera off of Peewee. Come on.
There's a bee on me.
Something bit you?
There's a bee right on my fucking finger.
Alright, that's it. After today, we're not doing this anymore.
I don't like this fucking park. Sorry.
Alright, so I'm flying Peewee 1 without the camera. I forgot to check to see if there's any shit anywhere. Uh-oh. I guess something's wrong with Peewee.